Hi everybody, this is Roxy, and I just wanted to do a demonstration on the 35mm shaker sleeves I made. And these are the dies I use from In Love Art Shop. I'm going to show all my process right after this, but here's how they turned out. I really like how they turned out. They're super cute. They're super easy to make and fun. And I show everything coming up, like I said. And then for this, the 35mm sleeve, I just used the third smallest die and the very smallest die. And I also show how you cut that out so that you have the little window. Thanks so much for watching. Comment and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you have any questions, leave them below. I will always get back to you. And enjoy watching me make. Okay, so I'm using just some 110-pound stock paper. I'm also using the third smallest die and the very smallest die for the window. So this is going to be the sleeve. There's a cut line on both sides, and in the middle is a perforated line. You want to put your paper folded, the fold of it up to that, but not over it. So I will fold this down and just crease this up. Alright, and then I'm going to put that down just to it so you can kind of see it, this face. And then I just tape this part so you can kind of see and double check. There. See how that really goes up the paper. So you don't want to put the tape on what you're saving, what you're going to be working on. So then I take for the window, I open up the card or the holder, let's say, and do the inside of it. So you're not messing up the front. Just in case, you know, like, because you have to tape this side. I suppose you could tape the inside. But anyways, you want it nice and centered. Now it doesn't matter where we put this. And then run this through. And there's your little slide sleeve, ready to go. And if you want, like this is Hobby Lobby 110 or 110 pound, and it's it's not like the Nina Solar White, which is nice and stiff, 110. So with this, I would do like maybe one or two more of these and then glue them together. I glued the frame for the Valentine shaker. I glued 4 of those, basically these pieces, not that, but these pieces of the die, I glued about 4 of them together from the Nina 110. Alright, so now we're going to take this and we're going to put score tape all around here, and then we put down a piece of the tulle, put in your shaker stuff, put another piece of tulle down, and then I just glue over that on both of them before I put the tulle down. And then after you get the score tape all over, the double-sided tape, Then you want, like for the bottom, you want to put glue down a little bit and the tool. Put your shaker stuff, your sequins and everything inside, and then put another piece of tulle down, and then you're going to want to glue around this double-sided tape and then put it down. And I will show that coming up.